Allow me to reintroduce myself. My name is Ho, H to the O-V. I used to move snowflakes by the OZ. I guess even back then you can call me CEO of the ROC.
Round one.
Yeah, we got metals on the left and we got non-metals on the right, but these metal alloys are packing real tight. Yeah, but remember about hydrogen, because it's an exception. If you forget, it can lead to inception. Yeah.
Oh, brain blast. Some symbols don't match the element's name. We're talking about chemistry. This ain't no game. All elements ending in eum indicate metals. After this rap, you'll be underground pushing pedals.
Look, transition metals are also on the table. They have two different charges there, Abel. Yeah, but this isn't the frickin' bachelor pad. I'll split them up with the guts Miss Ernest never had. Yeah.
Look here. I've got something for you that'll blow your cranium. In the metal section, it's got symbol BA. It's called barium. Oh, listen here, physical reaction. I've got a new compound for you. It's called covalent and surely won't bore you. It's when atoms share electrons instead of transfer. Is D Rose out for his career? I think you know the answer.
Now, I bet you're wondering how to name ionic compounds. First you got the cation, then the anion will come around. Yeah, but when you want to figure out its actual name, just write the element and add I, and Miss Ernest won't give you no shame.
How about those transition metals with two possible charges? The charges can range from 1 to 5, by and large. To indicate the number you chose, use a Roman numeral. How about we take a break and get ready for your funeral?
No, you didn't, dog. Let's do some examples. N2O3, that's dinitrogen trioxide. Just ask my boy here, selenium hydroxide.
Selenium hydroxide coming at you. First of all, the base unit of an element is an atom. Learning all this chemistry is more than I can fathom. An ion is an atom with an electrical charge. You won't get confused if your brain is very large.
Yo, physical reaction here. Ions with a single atom are monatomic. If you add at least one more, it becomes polyatomic. Yeah, ternary and binary compounds are ionic. It knows this shiz because I am bionic.
Hold up, Nils. You forgot something key. Drop your mics and listen to me. Cations are positive and usually metallic, but anions are negative and non-metallic.
Now let's talk about parts of a chemical reaction. First you got the starting substance. They're called reactants. You can identify them if you're fast and know the tactics.
When the reaction has occurred, the substances are stirred. The aftermath is the product. If you think about it, that's quite the logic.
Wait up. You left out some symbols. S, L, A, Q, and G. If you use these, you can figure out the physical state with these.
In a chemical reaction, there are 5 different reactions. Combination and decomposition are 2 of these. It means A plus B plus C equals AB plus C. It's when 2 or more substances come together, aka the elements are tethered. Yeah. Decomposition is the opposite. For example, at the beginning, the elements are composite.
Oh. Single replacement is like losing your date. You will go home and cry and sit in hate. On the other hand, double displacement is like swapping dates. You aren't mad because you have new mates. The last thing you need to know is a little thing called combustion. It creates water and carbon dioxide, which means no discussion.
And the winner of this year's Chemistry Rap Battles of History is selenium hydroxide!
I'm the winner. I'm going home. My mom's gonna make me some chicken dinner.
Yo, you can't even rap, because when I'm in the room, I'm just gonna talk some smack.
You don't even rap anytime you in the room because you just go in your room and fap.